Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on this laptop. So in order to show you how it's done, I'll have to open at least one window. And now there are three ways to put your window into the full screen mode. The first one is clicking this icon right here, and then you can demaximize your window by clicking it again. The other way to do this is double tap the top bar of your window and then double tap it again to demaximize it. Then the other one is grabbing the top bar of your window and dragging it to the top of the screen, then releasing it. And then you can also grab it and drag it down in order to demaximize it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.